Set.
White and red, fourth from left, but it's so hard to tell with the stagger unwinding after 500 metres correctly. Good running from the Australian lead-off athlete here. Sherman down the home straight is already past Young of Scotland. Great running too from England's Nathaniel. He maybe leads here as they come down to the first changeover. Nigeria, remember, will be strong throughout in that green strip.
I think the baton going to Nigeria, just Ezekiel Nathaniel, the 400-metre hurdles champion, doing a great job. We've already lost Zambia, unfortunately. Their lead leg runner pulled off with 100 metres, run of the race. But Nigeria striding down to the back straight, but it is Australia. Amir Gross, who's a brilliant 200-metre runner. I think she's using that speed to good effect here in the relays. She did it in the heats as well, streaking ahead at the break. And it's going to be Kenya challenging Nigeria for second place. George of Nigeria trying to hold the inside. And here comes Yemi Mary John of England, the sixth place individual athlete in the 400 metres. But Mia Gross has run a fantastic leg here, just keeping her team out of trouble. Her handover is going to be simple. Look at this, the other athletes are going to be cutting each other up, looking for the next runner.
Well, they hand over and it's Australia in the lead. The third leg runner for Australia heads out. It's Reynolds who goes out in the lead. England in second place. Good running this from Harris. Lovely leg there from Yami Mary John, making up for a sixth place in the individual 400 this morning. And a big challenge here from England. This is an early attack, trying to get past the Aussie run. He cuts in maybe a bit early there. That might lead to an appeal. The Australian being bulked, certainly. I'm not sure there was room for Harris to get through, but he does it anyway. The Australian in second place will have fire in his belly here, yet Reynolds, as they come off the bend, handing over now for this final leg feed. Nigerians have made good progress here. Ogazi, the individual 400 champion, has made massive inroads and will hand over marginally in the lead.
Wow, look at that. Three teams side by side as they go into the final leg of the mixed 4x4. Lena Nielsen was fourth in the individual 4 hurdles. And look at the sprint from the Nigerian athlete, Onajuevo. She was third in the 400 metres individually. Dejane Oakley, though, is chasing hard. The Jamaican won that women's 400 metres. Nigeria have got quite the lead here, ahead of England. Australia now coming under pressure from Jamaica. Dejane Oakley, 48-second runner this season. Surely she can't do it. She can't hold back the massive lead of Onajuevo here. She's going to have a go. Onajuevo into the home straight. Dejane Oakley pulls alongside, pumps her arms hard. Look at this from Jamaica. Lena Nielsen coming through for second with England. But Dejane Oakley makes it 2 golds today at the Commonwealth Games. Lena Nielsen held her nerve to bring them home.
Go better, or at least match that, I wonder. Jamaica go in lane 7. They were the fastest this morning. They were the bronze medalists in 2022, but by far the quickest this morning in the heats. Jamaicans were immaculate in the way they completed their heat. By far the quickest in 4.
Set.
So, anybody showing, well, the Jamaicans probably up on the Australians a little bit, left of picture. Good change there from England in lane 3. But at the moment, very tight between these lanes to the left of picture. Very little in it indeed. Trinidad and Tobago with Bascom on that second leg for them. She was looking strong there as they come round the final bend. It's Trinidad and Tobago with the advantage at the moment. Inside them, Canada going really well. England have got a lot of work to do in lane 3. But as they change there, the Canadians, not a bad change over. The Jamaicans were better. And the Canadians coming through now looking really strong with Leduc on this lead. Is she going to get there? No, Jamaica are going to take yet another gold by a metre and a half. Ashante Moore there coming through for them, running a fabulous leg, holding off the challenge of the Canadians on the inside. Leduc there with a good change over. The Canadians really did challenge, but wow, they live up to their form from the heats this morning. And yet again, Jamaica matching the Australians. Australia taking the gold in the men's 4x1. And Jamaica there taking the gold in the women's 4x1. That means in the overall medal table they have, well, Australia now have 9 golds and Jamaica 7. But I think that will go up to 8 for the Jamaicans after this one when it's added. But it's a tough old battle on the medal table and a tough old battle down there on the track. Danny just looking for the battle for the bronze. That was Trinidad and Tobago. England coming through for fifth, a little way back from Australia in fourth.
Yeah, Trinidad and Tobago on the back straight. Bascom ran a blistering leg again, as she did in the semis earlier, and really pulled them back into shape. Their last change-up may have just let them down just a little bit. But as you said,
Wagwan, my Jamaican family, and once again welcome back to the Yadi Reacts. If it is for the first time you are checking me out, kindly subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel. And to my returning subscribers, I'd wanna say thank you very much for the love and support you are always giving unto me. Whereby today, guys, I've got these two sprinting races, but in different categories. Whereby on the first video, it highlights the thrilling mixed 4x400 relay at the 2026 Commonwealth Games, where Team Jamaica secured a dramatic victory through a massive comeback on the final leg. On to the highlights, we had the early stages, whereby Australia started strong with Mia Gross building an early lead. England also remained competitive, keeping the pressure on the leaders throughout the middle legs. On to the comeback. Entering the final leg, Nigeria held a significant lead. However, Jamaica athlete Dejani Oakley, who had already won the women's 400-meter individual event, delivered a stunning performance, closing the gap and overtaking the Nigerian runner in the final home straight to clinch the gold. And onto the historical context, this event marked the first time the mixed relay was introduced to the Commonwealth Games, making Jamaica's win particularly historic. And to the takeaways, Jamaica finished the championships as a major powerhouse with 10 gold medals. And here I just want to emphasize that the strategic brilliance of Oakley, who timed her sprint perfectly to avoid burning out early. And just to ask who ran the final leg for Jamaica, it was Dejan Oakley ran the final leg for Team Jamaica. She delivered an impressive performance, overcoming a significant lead held by the Nigerian team to secure victory for Jamaica. How many medals did Jamaica win overall? As I told you earlier on, according to the video, Team Jamaica finished the 2026 Commonwealth Games with a total of 18 medals. The medal tally breakdown reported in the video includes 10 gold medal and 5 silver medals with 3 bronze medals. And why was this specific race historic? Yeah, the video explains that this race was historic because it marked the first time ever that the mixed relay event was introduced to the Commonwealth Games. And again, did she win any other medals? Yeah, from Team Jamaica. Yeah, in this case, yes, Dejane Oakley, often referred to as Dejani in the video, had an outstanding performance at the 2026 Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, securing a same-day double by winning 2 gold medals on the final leg. In addition to the gold medal in the mixed 4x400 relay, she also won the gold medal in the women's 400-meter individual final with a time of 50.21 seconds. Yeah, man. And that's how Team Jamaica, had got a great, final leg onto their team. And just to look around and ask about how did Jamaica win the race, the video explains that Team Jamaica achieved victory through a monstrous comeback on the final leg of the relay. And the strategy was the final runner, Dejane Oakley, executed a precise race strategy. She timed her sprint perfectly, which prevented her from burning out prematurely like other athletes might have. To the execution, despite Nigeria holding a massive lead as they entered the final leg, Oakley steadily closed the gap, pulled alongside the Nigerian runner in the final home straight, and ultimately secured the winner. Yeah, so that was all about this first video. All I do want to say is, applause the Jamaican team for the great deeds they have been doing onto the track field, and we need more of these from Team Jamaica, everly. And let's dive in on to the second video, whereby The video highlights Team Jamaica's gold medal victory on the women's 4x100 meter relay at the Commonwealth Games. The year is 2026. Here we had the win whereby Jamaica secured the gold medal, finishing approximately 1.5 meters ahead of Canada. The team featured Alana Reid, Jordine Williams, Levano Williams, and Ashanti Moore. On to the performance. Despite some challenges with baton exchanges, Ashanti Moore ran a powerful anchor leg to maintain a secure the lead. To the context, the team showcased significant improvement from previous years, continuing their success from the earlier World Relays. And to the broader games overview, Jamaica finished the Commonwealth Games with 10 gold medals, placing second overall in the medal count. And the video also reflects on the success of the mixed relay team, which also earned gold. Here, just for the discussion, the importance of the Commonwealth Games as a major international event, even without the participation of the United States. And who are the members of the relay team? The members of the Jamaican women's 4x100 meter relay team at the Commonwealth Games 2026 were, as I told you earlier on, Alana Reid, Jordine Williams, Levano Williams, and Ashanti Moore. And how many gold medals did Jamaica win? Just as I told you earlier on to the first commentary about the first video, the 2026 Commonwealth Team Jamaica successfully secured a total of 10 gold medals. Their overall performance during the game included 19 total medals, 10 gold, 4 silver, and 5 bronze. And the team's strong finish was bolstered by notable performances on the final day, including success in both track and field events. And again, why was the anchor leg significant? And accordingly to the video, the anchor leg run by Ashanti Moore was significant for several reasons during the women's 4x100 meter relay at the 2026 Commonwealth Games. One of it was securing the lead. While the race was tight, Ashanti Moore demonstrated explosive speed and power to maintain the lead after receiving a baton, ensuring Jamaica held off the challenge from the Canadian team. And to the overcoming challenge, although the previous baton exchange between Jordine Williams and Levano Williams was not entirely smooth, requiring the runner to break stride slightly, Ashanti Moore's performance was crucial in recovering that momentum to secure the win. And to the determined performance, here just described her performance as beastly, noting that she was forcefully and convincing, which was vital for both gaining and maintaining the distance needed to cross the finish line as the winner. Yeah, so that's Team Jamaica accordingly to this video of ours onto the 4x400 meter and the 4x100 meter. And Team Jamaica secured victory, and that what makes us proud. Yeah, so guys, I want to know what you think about this amazing video. Let's come around, share our thoughts throughout the comment section so we can get to interact and know what you think, and mainly because your opinion does matters to us every day. Thank you very much guys for following up the video with me. I was your host, Yadi Reacts. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like, and share to my YouTube channel. And to my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you very much for the love and support you are always giving unto me. Always remember to link me up through my next videos. All I want to say is peace out there.